Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram incorrect password problem. Okay, let's go see your problem. This is problem. Let's go solve your problem. To do this, tap and hold Instagram application and tap on app information. Scroll down little bit. You can see storage, tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data and tap on delete and go back. Now tap on permissions. You can see many options. All options must be allowed. After allow all option, go back your home screen. Now tap on Play Store application and then tap on search icon and write here Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Update your Instagram application if it is available. My Instagram application already updated. After update your Instagram, go back your home screen. At last, check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, then try log in your Instagram account. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.